Okay, so everybody or visitor that come to channel like Pedro. Okay, and I want to show you how to insert, update, delete using the Ajax jQuery. Okay, and now I show you already create a table 2 before. Yes, so you can see the database that I use is already. Right now I want to create the controller. Okay, so now I create the Ajax controller already. You can click the Ajax page. Okay, and now you can go to the resource folder and you can click the view, create the folder, and put name Ajax. Okay, so right now I want to create the file in Dutch. .php, so you can copy here. Okay, and I want to check. So we create the table. Okay, so right now I want to go to the web browser. Yes, you can. Okay, you can use. Okay, this. Okay, so right now I want to. Okay, enter that's not this. You can go to C code again. Ajax. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, right now I want to refresh and you can see. So I want to add the button to read the data from the Ajax. This you can the input code here. BGN. Ajax. Okay, so then I want to refresh. Okay, we see. So I want to use the bgn as. Okay, so when I click the button load data by charge, the data show here. Okay, then I go to the, yeah, you don't forget to the layout apps. In the scroll down, you can add the JavaScript because I want to use the scripts in the enter here. Okay, we add section scripts, then section, yeah, we write the script here. Okay, this is the we import the ID. We don't read data. Yes. So I want to test the code with the jQuery. Let's go. Yes, right now I want to refresh. So right now the jQuery no. Okay, you can go to the Ajax counter. I want to read the data. Okay, as I show you already before, you also can use the student. Yes. And I want to copy. You can you can write by yourself. Okay, so I want to copy here. Yes, when I read already like this, so I want to call the name. You can use the return charge. For example, return response student. Okay, right now I go to the web browser and use get read data. Okay, so right now I copy the route name here or URL here and go to the enter again. And right now I want to use the Ajax here. For example, we use get. Okay, you can use this and close. Okay, we want to call base data. Okay, I want to show the code. Okay, right now we want to refresh and I want to speak the code here. For example, yes, the data read from the database. Okay, you can see the data read from the database first record. So I want to add one record. For example, I use Tinker. Okay, use app. Okay, so I go this database because I want to see the such student. What is the number? Okay, what is one's number? And now the first. Oh, okay. First name. Photo. That's not this. Okay, we have a photo column. You can use the photo. Okay, so it cannot be now. Right now, I want to refresh. I want to reload again, and you can see the tree read from the database. Okay. Okay. Right now, I want to show the tables, and okay, you can use it like this. For example, read with function data. Okay, so if you want to read, use dots first name. Okay, we run the code again, and you can see the first name. Yes. Right now I want to read into the table bodies. Okay, I want to add the case. Case, and I want to read, for example, does TDs. Yes, we want to read into Dutch values first. Case, and I want to read. Okay, you can use the student info. Yes, student info. This is the ID here. We want Josh open GeoA. Okay, right now I want to refresh and we run. Okay, you can see what is in the console. Okay, is info. Okay, what's happening? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see the first name. So I want to use the student ID. So you can copy here. For example, you can use the IDs. Okay, and now I read again. Refresh. You can see the 1, 2, 3. Okay, this either refer to the student ID in the tables 1, 2, 3. Okay, right now I want to add the append. Okay. Or you can copy here. Okay, you can copy. We add the first name. Yes, I refresh and run again. You can see the first name, but I write wrong. Okay, yes, you can see the first name, and we copy more. Last name, full name. Okay, right now I want to refresh. Okay, as you can see the expected code. Okay, read again. So you can see the reads a lot from the when we click over and over again. So you can go to the empties. You can copy here. Yes. We use the empty measures. Yes, right now I want to. And I lost. Okay, right now the records. Very lot again and empties again. Yes. Okay, so right now you can add this. This. Okay, so now I want to. Okay, you can see. Okay, right now if you don't want to show like this, you can use the more. Yes, for example, I yes, Okay, so I want to return view from the views. I don't want to use it like this. You can use it like more. For example, in the Ajax, I create apps. I want to add the list. Student list. .php. Yes. And now you can go to the Ajax controller, and we want to return views. Ajax student list. Okay, you can use it like this. I go to the student list and use the for each. Oh, yes. And right now I want to compare. Okay, you can copy here and go to the student list and pass. First name. Okay, and I want to return this, from views, so you can choose the in touch. I delete here, and you can use the HTML data. Okay, I want to refresh, and I use a lot. Okay, so you can see the code. It's not a function, so I want ATO ATML. Okay, because we want to uh, you can we want to call the HTML code. For example, you can use console data. This, and I want to refresh, and you can see the HTML log from the student list. Okay, and now I want to show the code here. This, and I want to refresh. When I lost, you can see like this. Okay, I go to the student list again, and I want to the ID views. You can add the data here for Okay, so now I want to refresh a little again, so you can see it like this. Okay, this either we want to read the data from the Ajax. Yeah, you can use the first methods or and the second method that I show you already how to read data from using by Ajax. When we call by Ajax, mean that the page there is no reload. Okay, with the client side and the server side, there is no reload page. Okay, right now I want to finish this lesson how to read data from the database with the Ajax. In the next lesson, I want to show you how to use or how to edit or delete using Ajax in the next time. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, share on my video, and especially comment my video. Thank you. Say goodbye.